Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy LEAPS on Fidelity. LEAPS stands for Long-Term Equity Anticipation Securities, and there are options with expiration dates longer than 1 year. Buying LEAPS can be a great way to invest in stocks for the long term while reducing risk compared to simply buying shares. To start, log into your Fidelity account. If you do not have an account, you'll need to create one by providing your personal information and funding your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Trade tab on the top menu. In the drop-down menu, select Options to begin the process of purchasing LEAPS. Next, enter the ticker symbol of the stock you are interested in buying LEAPS for. Once the stock page loads, look for the option chain section. Here, you will find available options with various expiration dates and strike prices. Be sure to filter for expiration dates that are longer than 1 year to find the LEAPS you want. Finally, select the LEAP option you wish to buy by choosing the desired strike price and expiration date. Click on the option to add it to your order. You can then specify the quantity you want to purchase and review your order details before submitting. After double-checking everything, confirm your order and you will have successfully purchased LEAPS on Fidelity. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Happy investing!